Hello, and the abbess of Leetcode number 100. Basically, all my Leetcode, right? All my binary tree examples, me no. And I'm saying compare say the same. And see, we say root ni, and I will use root ni, right? The left node and then the right node. We're using the left node and the right node. Into no. Your fun node be I be compare the value. Now say node is our left and the right, and so I best compare, right? Into and fun say we a one, right? We a one, two I say and three I say. We say a 1, 2 I say and a 3 I say. So root node left right, root node left right. I see I say no. Left near now and a right near here now, right? The same thing I say. Now. Same thing, left and right are now. Approach and maybe you should know say tree traverse I or DFS and a BFS. Maybe you should DFS. DFS no up down one or start if you share no work away about so right. Into a bahasa we say no any left node in any right node with the same thing they apply as say. Into I say in the bed now, right? Am I now? Left am I now? Right? You compare ways to or no be here and left near now. Into now A equal to now. Into any true, right? Into I say honey na sana be we any right no we say compare. If you never be true I say we anyway I compare, right? The same value into no be true, right? If we are now we anyway so I compare the same value into true. Sa never be six one. Eventually no it be say we equal to A. We equal to A and I will see equal to A. That's all. And I ever see establish here. We'll show another example. So on my one was say my left node near 2, right near now, right? 1 right near 2 and I left near now, right? Into M match it into a bare force. We anyway okay, but we anyway no we anyway and match it and I will anyway so and match it into way by a force, right? Into yanko share the into if not Q say and yet say you can say if not, especially as we define function value type now, it means a tree node, but say any tree node Q in your tree node na P so and if not P so I just say node pepe, right? Until you ever return it true. Right, and I say if not Q or not P, return false. Because I say not just say back a tree data structure, right? And a back any tree data structure in I just say abo. I say we say maybe a way now, I say not the same thing. Right, base case scenario you check you say now the same it's very true. The final part they say you return say P dot val A equal to P dot A equal to Q dot val, right? And a buffer function itself, because we are the recursion, right? If it's same tree, p the left, right, and a key also the left. Okay, so any now the same, and the best frame for the right portion, all right. P dot right and Q dot right. In the same trees, right? In the first, sending I and Nala a return true. So we so a friend say back a tree na back on your tree. You return false. In TV, you sound node na no. Sound node na because the values near the same. You be call left and right. Now I be go through the same process where I say science. We any recursion and I say DFS algorithm, right? So what did I miss? Self dot is same trees is same trees is same trees. If p dot value and a q dot value, p dot left, q dot left, p dot right, q dot right is same tree. Oh, my spell is same tree. So it's same tree, no s. Okay, so is same tree. Is same tree is not defined. Self dot is same tree. Oh, self dot is same tree. All right. So, all right. Say and I best solve check it. Say tree no a the same, right? We DFS. All right. The first search algorithm. Okay. Thank you. Rebecca say tree.